Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing but you are not sure where you to get started? Affiliate marketing is all about generating ton of profit without any effort. Right, at least that is what a quick Google search would have you believe. But as usual this But as usual, the truth is a little more complex than that. Yes, you can make money through affiliate marketing, good money, and yes, you can even make money while you sleep. In this post, we are going to teach you how to generate passive income with successful affiliate marketing. Since this is such an in-depth guide, feel free to use this table of content. Navigate your way to the section that most interests you. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when an online retailer pay you a commission for traffic or sale generated from your referral. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is a simple three-step process. You recommend a product or service to your follower. Your follower purchase the product or service using your affiliate link. You get paid a commission for the sale made using affiliate link. Getting started with affiliate marketing. Now the basic definition of affiliate marketing and how the process work. So let's talk about how to get started. Many would be affiliate marketing don't take the time to plan and instead sign up for every affiliate marketing network or affiliate marketing program they can find. The end of our lamp and overloaded. Don't be like them. Selling online or promoting your business can be pretty complicated. There are a lot of tools, strategies and marketing channels for driving traffic to your website. If you are selling online, don't forget to increase conversation by optimizing current traffic. Find your niche. Do you say niche or niche? Either way you pronounce it, choosing a niche will give focus to your business and help you with content. It's all also make it easier to create a targeted marketing campaign. For some people, choosing their niche is the hardest part of starting their own business, but it does not have to be that way. What what am I passionate about? Typically, the thing we are passionate about are things we are also already knowledgeable about, which make it much easier to create content. As the topic big, as their create of 200 blog posts. If not, you may struggle with search engine optimization or have trouble developing authority. Please subscribe my channel for more new news update, and thanks for watching my videos.